बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Viewers, today's our topic is solving linear equations. Solve each of the following equations. Question 1, 2 over x is equal to 4 over 5. Can anybody answer the question? How can we solve it? Zaheb, are you there? Hamna? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
सर रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे.
Okay, we can take the reciprocals of both sides, but even
X over 2 is equals to 5 over 4.
exactly x over 2 is equal to 5 over 4, but there is another way, which is cross multiplication. We will multiply this 5 because 5 is dividing 4, and we will multiply it on the left hand side, giving us 2 into 5. And once again on the left hand side we have x in the denominator, means x is dividing 2. When we take x on the right hand side, it will multiply with 4, and this will give us 4 into x. Once again, 2 into 5, this 5 goes this 5 is multiplied by 2, and this x is multiplied by 4. And on the left hand side we have 10 is equal to 4x. Next, as you know, we just have to find the value of x. Therefore, we have to remove 4 from the right hand side, and here 4 is multiplying with x. On the taking 4 on the left hand side will divide 10, and therefore we have 10 by 4 is equal to x. And now, as you know, we can divide 10 by 2, and we can also divide 4 by 2, giving us 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2, or we can write it as 2 whole 1 by 2. Do you know how this comes in place of 5 by 2? 5 by 2 ki jagah
By
2
dividing.
by dividing. When we divide 5 by 2, it is divided by 2 times, and that becomes quotient. And when we divide 5 by 2 times, 2 2s are 4, and we have 1 as a remainder. Therefore, this quotient is placed here, and this remainder is placed here, and this is the divisor. ये क्वेश्चन है, जितने टाइम आपने 5 को डिवाइड किया 2 पे, 2 टाइम्स डिवाइड किया था, 4 आया था, रिमाइंडर 1 है वो ऊपर लिख देंगे, और डिवाइजर 2 यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. और चूंकि हम x की वैल्यू फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं, तो वी कैन राइट इट एज x इज इक्वल टू 2 होल 1 over 2. Next question, 12 over y minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3. As Azim told us, we can take reciprocals on the both sides as well. But here I am performing cross multiplication. Once again, multiplying 3 by 12 and y minus 1 by 2. We have 12 into 3, and here 2 into y minus 1. 12 into 3 is equal to 36, and here 2 is multiplied by y, giving 2y, and 2 is multiplied by minus 1, giving minus 2. Next step, everybody knows, we can take this minus 2 on the left hand side, giving plus 2. 36 plus 2 is equal to 2y, and this gives you 38.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this gives you 38 is equal to 2y. Now we have to remove 2 from the right hand side. How can we remove here, Zohaib? Now tell me, how can we remove 2 from right hand side? Zohaib?
We will divide 2 with 38.
We will divide 38 by 2. 38 by 2. Because here 2 is multiplied, and on taking it on the left hand side, will divide it 38. This gives you 19. This is the answer required value of y is equal to 19. Next, this is slightly difficult question, and I will ask you, how can we solve it? Yes, Hamna. 2y minus 1 over 5. 2y minus 1 over 5 minus y plus
सर
3 over
एलसीएम
7.
लेंगे 5/7 का
5 over 7 का LCM या 5 और 7 का?
5/7 का
क्या?
5 and 7.
Yes, taking LCM 5 and 7, what will be the LCM?
35.
अच्छा, एक और भी इस क्लास के लिए है, अगर आप 35 LCM लेते हैं तो बेसिकली आपने करना क्या होता है, यहाँ ये जो 7 है ना,
7
इस-
मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 होता है और 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7.
एग्जैक्टली 7. अब क्या करना है हमने, इस 7 से आपने ये जो टर्म है इसको मल्टीप्लाई भी किया और डिवाइड भी किया. 7 मल्टी ये look at here, in order to, as you told me, the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. As you told me, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. And what should we do in order to make it 35? Hamna, what should we do in order to make here 35?
We will multiply it with 7.
Yes, we will multiply it with 7. Then we have to perform the same operation for the numerator as well. Means when you are multiplying this 5 by 7, making it 35, you have to perform same operation on the numerator. Means you have to multiply numerator 2y minus 1 with 7 as well. Same operation. What should you do here to make 35? As Zohaib told, we will multiply it by 5. Same thing, multiplying and dividing by 5. Performing same operation for the numerator and the denominator. Clear? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Now this will give you 7 into 2y minus 1 over 35 minus 5 into y plus 3 over 35. Because 7 5s are 35 and 5 7s are 35. What should be the next step, Zohaib?
सर हम 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 के साथ और 1 के साथ.
उससे पहले कुछ और भी कर लेना. उससे पहले ये अगर वो मल्टीप्लाई कर लें तब भी ठीक है. पहले एक काम और कर लें कि एलसीएम इसका दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर में 35 चूंकि आ गया है, तो आप इसको इस तरह तो लिख लेना, 7 into y minus 1 minus 5 into y plus 3. ठीक है. अगर आप ये पहले लिख लेंगे तो माइनस की करने की मिस्टेक नहीं होगी. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप को बताया, आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप बताएं इसके बाद क्या होगा.
सर 7 को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 1 को साथ और 5 को y के साथ और 3 के साथ.
ठीक हो गया. अब जब ये 7 को y के साथ मल्टीप्लाई 2y के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वो आ जाएगा 14y और यहाँ आ जाएगा -7. यहाँ जो 5. ठीक है, इधर बताएं फिर. अब ये जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो व्हाट शुड द आंसर? 5 into y तो -5y आएगा.
-5y
and then
and -15.
-15. हम ना और कोई इससे ऑल्टरनेटिव वे बता सकती हैं आप? इसने तो बताया कि आप ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई कर लें. कैन यू टेल मी अनदर वे? हम ना
Sir, we can take 35 on the other side.
Yes, this is the correct answer. This is Zohaib ne jo bataya, that was also correct answer. But in order to shorten the steps, we take 35 on the right hand side. When we take 35 on the right hand side, we know there is 0 is placed on the right hand side. When 0 is multiplied by 35, answer is 0. Zohaib? Whenever 0 is multiplied with any number, that answer is 0.
0.
तो जो स्टेप्स ज़ोहैब ने बताए वो भी ठीक हैं. अल्टीमेटली वो स्टेप्स हमने करने ही करने हैं. लेकिन बिफोर डूइंग दैट दो स्टेप्स वी आर जस्ट सिंप्लीफाइंग द एक्सप्रेशन एज वेल. 0 into 35 0, and these are the steps Zohaib told us. 7 into 2y 14y, 7 into -1 -7, and -5 into y -5, -5y, -5 into 3 -15, and obviously on the right hand side we have 0 as a result of 0 into 35. Then 14y minus 7 minus 5 minus 15 will give you answer 9y minus 22. Is it clear? When we subtract 5y from 14y, this gives you 9y. And when you add minus 7 and minus 15, this will give you minus 22. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the next step, Hamna? Just take 22 on the right hand side. 9y is equal to 22. And then finally, we have to find the value of y by dividing 22 by 9. Y is equal to 22 by 9. And this number can be written as 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4, 22. And this gives you the alternative expression of the 22 over 9. So this is the answer. Y is equal to 2 whole 4 over 9. Next question 4 है. This is slightly difficult. 7 minus 2y over 2 minus 2 over 5 into 2 minus y is equal to 1 whole 1 by 4. What should be the first step to solve this question? How can we first step is that we should write this its alternative form. Now, how can we write its alternative form?
We will multiply 4 with
5
1.
over 4.
Yes, 5
Yes.
over 4.
Yes, exactly. You are telling the complete steps. 5 over 4. How the 5 over 4 is obtained? Look at, you multiplied this 4 by this 1. That gives you 4. And then you add the remainder 1. 4 into 1, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 means 5 over 4. And on the left hand side, we are performing the same steps. What are the steps? We have to multiply this 2 by 5. And we are multiplying this 2 by 5. And in order to balance operation, we have to multiply 5 in the with the numerator as well. Similarly, we have to multiply this 5 by 2. And in order to balance the operation, we have to multiply numerator by 2 as well. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 35 minus 10y.
नहीं क्या नेक्स्ट स्टेप चलें कर लेते हैं वो. अब ये आ गया आपके पास. असल में 5 इंटू 7 माइनस 2y और 5 इंटू 2 10 माइनस 2 इंटू 2 4 इंटू 2 माइनस y ओवर 2 इंटू 5 10 इज इक्वल टू 5 by 4. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले जो है कर देते हैं, उसमें कहीं गलती ना कर लें आप. यह आ जाता है 5 इंटू 7 माइनस 2y माइनस 4 इंटू 2 माइनस y ओवर 10. This is the LCM. You are taking LCM, and after taking the LCM, you have to perform this step. अब आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करनी चाहें तो कर लें. तो क्या आएगा? 7 into 5 35 minus 10y minus 8 plus 4y over 10 is equal to 5 by 4. इस स्टेप के बाद क्या हो सकता है? ये आ जाएगा minus 10y sorry 35 minus 8 27 and minus 10y plus 4y minus 6y over 10 is equal to 5 by 4. इसके बाद क्या स्टेप कर सकते हैं जरा बताएंगे?
सर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
यस, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं आप. ये 4 आपने लेफ्ट साइड पे ले गए, वो आ गया 4 इंटू 27 माइनस 6y, और 10 आप राइट साइड पे ले गए 10 इंटू 5, और एक इसको आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो ये बन जाता है आपके पास. अच्छा, एक तो ये है कि आप इस स्टेप में मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दें 4 इंटू 27 माइनस 6y के साथ ना, और 10 इंटू 5 50 हो जाएगा. इसके अलावा भी एक स्टेप है जो मैं लिखने लगा था, वो क्या हो सकता है? जी बताएं ज़ुहैब और हमना, और which one is a other partner, other participant?
सर 10 को राइट साइड पे ले जाओ.
Yes, Qasim is telling me
नो जो सर जो है
व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? 10 को
राइट साइड पे ले जाए।
10 तो ऑलरेडी राइट साइड पे है। ये देखें, आपको ये 10 लेफ्ट साइड पे नजर आ रहा है। और दूसरा ये कीप इन माइंड कि 10 अकेला नहीं है, 10 के साथ 5 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है। चलिए मैं आपको क्लियर करता हूं कि हम दोनों बोथ साइड्स को 2 पे डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन वी डिवाइड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बाय 2 we will have 2 into 27 minus 6y, and when we divide right hand side by 2 we will have 5 into 5। ये समझ आई स्टेप आपको? भला ये देखें जरा, मैं दिखाता हूं आपको। ये जो 4 है इसको 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 आएगा, और इधर 10 को आप 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 5। ये स्टेप समझ आया सबको?
yes
इक्वेशन की दोनों तरफ हम इक्वेशन
Can
की
you explain again?
यस देखिए ना, ये 4 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 27 माइनस 6y के साथ, और इधर 10 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है 5 के साथ। बेसिकली डूइंग this step we are dividing both sides by 2। when we divide this left hand side by 2, what will happen? Basically we will divide 4 by 2 and answer will be 2. when we divide right hand side by 2, basically we will be dividing 10 by 2 and giving the answer 5. And if you are feeling this difficult step, you can just multiply 4 by 27 and minus 6y and writing here 50, and you can solve the question. But this is another way. Here we can divide. Here we have a common factor. Let me once again explain. Left hand side is 4 into 27 minus 6y, and right hand side is basically 10 into 5. So in the left hand side and the right hand side we have a common factor which is 2. That's why we are dividing both sides by 2. When we divide left hand side by 2, we will basically dividing 4 by 2 giving answer 2. And when we divide this right hand side by 2, we will be dividing 10, because 10 is divisible by 2, not 5. 10 dividing 10 by 2 giving answer 5. Are you following?
सर 10
Yes.
और 4 की कटिंग हो सकती है।
10 और 4 की नहीं हो सकती। 10 और 4 की 2 पे कटिंग कर दी ना, कर दी मैंने, यही तो किया मैंने, यही तो किया है। 4 को 2 पे काटा तो 2 आ गया, इसी तरह 10 को 2 पे काटा तो 5 आ गया। नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? 2 into 27 minus 6y is equal to 5 into 5। यहां तक स्टेप्स क्लियर हो गए सबको?
सर 2 को 27 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे।
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन यहां तक ठीक हो गया, यहां तक ये स्टेप यहां तक जो है ये समझ आ गया सबको?
चलो ठीक है।
हम ना कासिम, Kasim, do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Do you follow this step? This step.
Yes, sir.
If you are feeling difficulty in this, so you can just solve this step. You can multiply this equation by 4, left hand side and right hand side, giving you answer 50. Okay. Next, 2 into 27, 54. 2 into minus 6y minus 12y, 5 into 5, 25. And I think everybody knows we have to take minus 12y on the right hand side. And this will give you 12y, positive 12y, and taking this 25 on the left hand side will give you minus 25. 54 minus 25 is equal to 12y. And 54 minus 25 is 29. 29 is equal to 12y. We can write it as 29 over 12 is equal to y, or y is equal to 2 whole 5 over 12, because 2 12s are 24 plus 5, 29 over 12. This is the answer. We may write it as y is equal to 2 2 whole 5 over 12. Now this is something which I want to ask from all of you, and look at the question. By showing your working clearly, verify if x is equal to 19 over 20 is the solution of the equation 2x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3x plus 5 by 6. First of all, one by one, tell me what is he asking in the question. Let's start from Qasim. Yes, Qasim. Do you follow anybody else? Hamna or Zohaib? If you follow the question, what question says?
सर x की वैल्यू
जी जी बोले बोले
आती है कि नहीं, तो हमें
हाँ ठीक है।
हम इस क्वेश्चन से या x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे।
इस क्वेश्चन से x की वैल्यू निकालेंगे। हमना आप बताएं।
सर
x will be 19 by 20.
यस Zuhaib ये कह रहा है, Zuhaib, are you saying that we have to solve this equation and we have to find the value of x? You are saying me that we have to solve this equation, and after solving and getting the value of x, we have to check whether x is 19 over 20 or not.
19 over 20. Yes.
Are you saying this thing?
Yes.
What Hamna you say?
Sir, I was saying that we will solve this question and the value of x will be 19 by 20.
Exactly. Zuhaib told us the same thing. You are also saying exactly, and this is correct answer. This is not the wrong answer. This is correct answer. This is the one way we can solve this question and get the answer x. And if answer x comes in 19 over 20, then we say this is verified. And if it doesn't come, then we say it is not verified. Qasim, can you change this? Can you tell us alternative way? This is the one way. Can anybody tell me any other way? देखिए एक तो बात ये हो गई ना कि आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, इस इक्वेशन को जो भी हम बात कर रहे हैं बार बार हमना ने भी बताई और ज़ुहैब ने भी बताई कि इसको सॉल्व कर लें, एक्स का जो आंसर आएगा अगर वो 19 over 20 हुआ तो वेरीफाई हो जाएगा, और अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो हम कहेंगे वेरीफाइड नहीं है। एक और चीज भी है, एक और तरीके से भी इसको कर सकते हैं, और मैं उसी तरीके से करवाने लगा हूं। वो क्या है? अगर x,
Sir, what if we put 19 by 20 in all of the x's?
Qasim is telling me.
No, Hamna,
exactly, you are telling. The other way is that we can put this value of x in the equation, and if the left hand side remains equal to right hand side, we will say it is verified. Do you follow, Zuhaib?
Yeah.
But what I'm saying? Zuhaib, x की ये वाली वैल्यू इसमें पुट करें, अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल रही तो फिर हम कहेंगे कि ये इसको सेटिस्फाई करता है, वेरीफाई हो गया है। देखें जब आप इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं तो जो सॉल्यूशन आता है वो उस इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करना चाहिए। बेसिकली उसने इस क्वेश्चन में सॉल्यूशन पहले से निकाल के रखा हुआ है, हमें सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है। इस इक्वेशन में उसने सॉल्यूशन पहले से निकाल के रखा हुआ है, हम इसमें पुट कर दें, अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल रही तो हम कहेंगे कि वो वेरीफाई कर रहा है। और अगर आप ये नहीं करना चाहते तो वो भी कर सकते हैं, इसको सॉल्व कर लें और एक्स की वो वैल्यू निकला है तो आप निकाल इसको कहेंगे ये वेरीफाई करती है। ओके, दिस इज द इक्वेशन, एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर, वी आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। लुक एट where we have x, that x is replaced by its value 19 over 20. Zohaib, are you following? Zohaib, are you there?
Yes.
Are you following what I'm saying?
Yes.
Just replace x by its value 19 by 20. x की जगह आपने 19/20 पुट कर दिया as Hamna told us. And on the right hand side we also have x. This x is also replaced by 19 by 20. यहां तक अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो बताए, कासिम, हमना या जोहेब.
No, sir.
Okay. What should be the next step? I think this is wrongly placed. This cutting is for 2. 2 will cancel this 20 and gives you answer 19/10. Is it true? This 2 will divide 20, giving you answer 10, and 90 remains as it is. 19/10
Yes.
minus 3 by 4 is equal to this 19/3 into 20, 60 plus 5/6. Okay, cancelling this 2 by 20, giving answer 10, and we will have 19/10 minus 3/4, and once again 19/3 into 20, 60 plus 5/6. What should be the next step? We have to take the LCM of 10 and 4, and we have to take the LCM of 60 and 6. Left hand side's LCM is 40 and right hand side's LCM is 60. So for this purpose, we have to multiply this term by 4 and divide by 4, and this term by 10, and this term is multiplied by and divided by 10, giving you answer 4 into 19 divided by 4 into 10, of performing same operation for the numerator and the denominator, minus 10 multiplied by 3 divided by 10 multiplied by 4. And there is no need to do anything for this term because 60 is the LCM, and in the denominator we already have the 60. But for this case, when in the denominator we have 6, we are going to multiply and divide it by 10. This gives you 19 into 4, 76 divided by 40, 10 into 3, 30 divided by 40, and here 19/60 plus 50/60. Now, as you see on the left hand side, we have the LCM. The immediate after this step is we have to perform 76 minus 30. 76 minus 30 over 40, and on the right hand side 19 plus 50/60. And we have 46/40 is equal to 69/6. You can cancel 0 from the denominators of the both sides, or you can perform the division of 46 by 2, dividing 46 by 2, giving answer 23, and dividing 40 by 2, giving answer 20, and on the right hand side dividing 69 by 3, giving you 23, and 60 by 3, giving you answer 20. And you see here on the left hand side we have 23/20, and on the right hand side we have 23/20. Both left hand sides and right hand sides are equal to each other. Therefore, it is concluded that when we put x is equal to 19/20 in the given equation, left hand side remains equal to right hand side. It means this value of x 19/20 satisfies the equation, and this is verified that this x is equal to 19/20 is the solution of this equation. Other way was that you just solve this equation and you will get this answer. Any questions, please, about this question? Students, any question? भाई समझ आ गई सबको?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
दोनों मेथड्स पता चल गए हैं कि इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं, या सॉल्यूशन को इक्वेशन में पुट करके भी पता कर सकते हैं. अगर ऑलरेडी आपको सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ हो, जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, तो फिर उसको इक्वेशन में पुट करके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल भी ला सकते हैं इफ द सॉल्यूशन इज ऑलरेडी गिवन.
ओके सर.
ओके, आपको कहीं जल्दी तो नहीं है ज़ुहैब खेलने की?
नो.
जल्दी जल्दी ओके कह रहे हो ना, इसलिए मैंने समझा कि शायद जल्दी. नाउ दिस इज समथिंग which you have to understand. I think Hamna already has solved this question. She sent me. Hamna, do you know?
Yes.
4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. Now, Zuhaib, can you tell me how can we solve it? Look at this expression is given 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. First of all, give me the answer. How many variables involved in this question? Zuhaib.
2 x and y.
X and y. There are two variables involved in this equation. Now we don't have to solve the equation. Rather, we have to find the value of 3x over 16y. Zuhaib, any thing you can tell me? How can we proceed it? 3x over 16y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है इस इक्वेशन से, तो कैसे फाइंड की जा सकती है?
बोथ साइड से.
जी जी, बोथ साइड से.
16y को डिवाइड कर दे.
और नो यार, वो तो काम खराब हो जाएगा. 16y एकदम से नहीं आ जाएगा डिवाइड करने से. अगर 16y से आप डिवाइड कर देंगे तो एकदम से, अच्छा चलें कर लें, फिर क्या होगा? वो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आ तो जाएगा क्वेश्चन, लेकिन वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा थोड़ा सा. उसके अलावा बताएं. आप वैसे सही कह रहे हैं.
तो फिर x and y सेपरेट सेपरेट कर ले.
एक्स एंड वाई सेपरेट सेपरेट कर. चलें जी, वो करते हैं. जो आप पहले कह रहे थे वो भी ठीक था, वो लेकिन क्वेश्चन लेंथी हो जाना था. तो हमने ये किया है 4x minus 3y. एक्स एंड वाई सेपरेट करने के लिए we have to take this 3x on the left hand side. Obviously, when we take this 3x on the left hand side, this will become minus 3x. And next step is we have to take this y on the right hand side. This will become minus y, and that's why this becomes 5y minus y. 4x minus 3x will give you x. 5y minus y will give you 4y. What should be the next step, Qasim? Qasim is not answering today.
So can I tell?
Yes.
फिर x को 3 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
Yes.
दोनों साइड पे 3 के साथ.
Yes. ये सही आपने इसलिए बता दिया कि कोई रीजन भी बता सकते हैं. है तो ठीक, लेकिन कैन यू टेल मी द रीजन?
क्योंकि सर ऊपर 3x है.
Yes, हमने 3x बनाना है. In order to make the 3x, we have to multiply this x by 3. And obviously, we cannot perform the operation on the left hand side.
सर
Yes,
अगर
yes.
इसको 3 से करेंगे तो उसको भी 3 से करेंगे.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ कि we cannot perform this operation with the left hand side only. We have to perform this operation with the right hand side as well. Therefore, in order to make x 3x, we have to multiply it both sides by 3. This will give you answer. When you multiply this by both sides by 3, this will give you answer 3x is equal to 3 into 4y. Hamna, can you tell me the next step?
We will multiply 3 with 4y.
Okay,
Yes sir.
okay. Then what? Instead of multiplying this 3 by 4y, just keep in mind what we have to, what should be in the denominator of 3x. In the denominator of 3x should be 16y. Don't you think we can take this 4y in this denominator? Don't you know? Don't you think so? Instead
सर
of
4y को लेफ्ट साइड पे ले जाएं.
हाँ, instead of multiplying 3 by 4, जो आप कह रही हैं उससे भी आंसर आ जाएगा, लेकिन वो स्टेप्स लेंथी हो जाएंगे. Instead of multiplying this 3 by 4, why we are not taking 4y on the left hand side? Look at, when we take 4y on the left hand side, this becomes 3x over 4y is equal to 3. This 3 remains as it is. Is it clear, Hamna?
Yes.
Hamna, Hamna is not answering. Instead of multiplying this 3 by 4, we can take this 4y on the left hand side because I am looking the answers. I have to make 16y. We can make it 16y with the help of 4y. What should be the next step? Just divide both sides by 4. After getting 3x over 4y, just divide by 4, both sides by 4. When you divide left hand side by 4, this will become 4 into 4y. And when you divide right hand side by 4, this will become 3 by 4. And obviously, in the next step, you have 3x over 16y
Is equal
Is
to
eq-
3 over 4.
is equal to 3 or 4. Hamna, is it clear?
Sir, this is answer.
This is answer. Hamna, is it clear?
Yes.
You could also perform that operation. You could also multiply 3 by 4y, so getting 12y, and you still can get this solution 3x by 16y, as you I think did in your assignment. Now I am giving you an assignment. Please take your copy pencil and do this assignment. What is the assignment? Find the value of 5x over 7y for the same question. Are you listening? Zohaib, Hamna, and Qasim?
Yes.
Yes.
For the same question, 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. From same equation, you have to find 5x over 7y. Hurry up and quickly give me the answer after solving. Yes, it's Hamna's work. 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. Find the value of 5x over 7y. And up to this step, 5x, x is equal to 4y. This is correct. And then 5x is equal to 5 into 4y. You are multiplying both sides by 5. 5x over 4y is equal to 5. I think up to this step, you are correct. But from here, you are just following my steps, because here you have to perform the different steps. What you are what you are mistaking here, 5x over you have 4y. Okay. Now, how you are adding 3 here in the denominator? Hamna?
Sir, I just thought that it could add probably.
No. Remember when what I told you, you can just multiply or divide both sides. Now, if you are adding in the 3 in the denominator, then you have to operate the reverse operation as well. And what is the reverse operation? You have to subtract the denominator as well, -3. You can only perform, you can only add 3 here if you subtract 3 from here. This is the wrong step. You cannot add 3 in the denominator. And one wrong thing is this, that you are making it 7y. Look at beta, this is 4y plus 3. First thing is that this is wrong. But if we for a moment accept this 4y plus 3 is the correct step, then this step is once again wrong step. 4y plus 3 is not equal to 7y. 4y plus 3y will be equal to 7y. So there are two major mistakes. First mistake is adding 3 on the denominator is wrong. And the second mistake is 4y plus 3 is not equal to 7y. And you can understand your answer will be incorrect if here you have made 2 mistakes. Don't you think, Hamna?
Yes.
Okay, now please remove this. I share the solution and then you follow the steps. Now, this was the previous question which I solved for you. 3x over 16y is equal to 3 by 4. And I have asked to find you the value of 5x over 7y from the same relation. And look at the steps here. Up to this step, we have to perform the same steps. 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus y. 4x minus 3y is equal to 5y minus y. X is equal to 4y. As you did, up to this, we have to perform the same steps. 4x plus y is equal to 3x plus 5y. And just you take this 3x on the left hand side, making it minus 3x, and take this y on the right hand side, making it minus y. And then you have x is equal to 4y. And look at, up to this, you have the same steps. Following?
Yes.
Okay, these are the same steps. Now looking at this, we need here 5x. And how can we get the 5x? You did the correct step. We are multiplying this equation by 5. Yani means we are multiplying both sides of this equation by 5. Getting 5x into 5 is equal to 5 into 4y. In the previous part, we split this 4y on the denominator because we have to make the 16y, and 16y can be made from the 4y. By just multiplying with 4, you will get 4 into 4y is equal to 16y. But from here, if we take this 4y on the denominator, then we will not be able to make it 7y with the 4y. Here we did the step that we took 4y on the denominator because 4y is the factor of 16y. 4y divides 16y because 4 divides 16. But here 4y is not the factor of 7y because 4 cannot divide 7. 4 does not divide 7. That's why we will not take 4y on the left hand side. And then at this step, the step is changed from the previous one where we took 4y on the denominator, but here we will not take 4y on the denominator because 4y is not the factor of 7y. Understand, Hamna?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what can we do here? We can just multiply 5 by 4 as you told me in the previous question. We will get 5x over is equal to 20y. Now from this right hand side, we will not take 20y on the left hand side. We will just take y on the left hand side. 5x over y is equal to 20. Now I think you can easily make it 7y by dividing both sides by 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
This will give you 5x over 7y is equal to 20 over 7. This is the answer. You can write this 20 over 7 is equal to 2 whole 6 over 7. Zohaib did it and he went away. That he said me, I have done, therefore grant me the leave. And he left the house for he left the house to play. Okay, this is the exactly, and I think you follow the mistake you did in the question, Hamna.
Yes.
You will not add 3 or any number in the denominator.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah next tomorrow we will discuss the application of the linear equations. Until then, Khuda Hafiz.